Dividing mixed numbers. The steps to dividing fractions is first keep the first fraction the same, flip the second fraction by finding its reciprocal, and then changing division to multiplication. So we want to find the value of 2 1/4 divided by 3/8. Well, we need to keep the first one the same, but it's not a fraction, so we need to change that mixed number to an improper fraction first. So 2 1/4, I go 2 times 4 is 8, plus 1 is 9. This is going to be the same as 9/4. So I kept the first one the same. I flip and find the reciprocal of the second one, so 3/8 is 8/3, and then I change dividing to multiplying. You multiply the numerators, so 9 times 8 is 72, and multiply the denominators. 4 times 3 is 12, and then you need to simplify and change it into a mixed number. To simplify this one, we need to think about the greatest common factor. What is the largest number that goes into 72 and into 12? Well, if I skip count 12, that's 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72. So 12 goes into 72. So I can divide both of these by 12, and I will get 6/1, which is the same as just 6. So the value of 2 1/4 divided by 3/8 is 6. Alright, this one's a little bit harder because both the dividend and divisor are mixed numbers. So we need to change these both to improper fractions. So 3 5/6. 3 times 6 is 18, plus 5 is 23/6. And 1 times 3 plus 2 is 5/3. Next, I need to KFC, keep, flip, change. Keep the first one the same, 23/6. Flip the second one, so its reciprocal is 3/5, and change divide to multiply. So the product is going to be 69/30. That, when I divide numerator and denominator by 3, is going to be 23/10. And I could finally write that final answer as a mixed number, that there's 2 whole 10s in 23, so 2 and 3/10. Final answer is 2 and 3/10. Here's a hard one. This one actually has more than one operation, and we need to follow the order of operations, PEMDAS. Parentheses are first, exponents, multiplying and dividing are third, and last are adding and subtracting. So we need to do the division first. So we've got 5 1/4, which is going to be the same as 21/4, times, I'm going to change that division to times, and this one is going to be 9/8, and the reciprocal of that is 8/9. Multiply, that is going to be 168/36. Both the numerator and denominator are divisible by 12. So that gives us the improper fraction of 3 is the denominator, and 12 goes into that 14 times. So I have 14 thirds, and I have to finish taking away the 2/3, which is going to be 12 thirds, or 4. So that long complicated 5 1/4 divided by 1 1/8 minus 2/3 is 4.